Lost eSIM on your iPhone, whether because of reset, switching devices, or just a random reason? Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel GetAssist, and today in this video, I will let you know how you can recover your lost eSIM step by step, whether you have a backup or not. So let's get started. Before we move into the recovery mode, let's make sure that your eSIM is actually missing. Try toggling your airplane mode on and off. Still no luck? Then you can give a try to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart give a kick and works. If not, then let's move to the recovery. If you can somehow find the QR code of your eSIM, then you can simply add your eSIM from the cellular settings. But what if not? It's time to call the experts, that is your carrier's customer support. Open your carrier's official app or website, look for the manage eSIM or transfer eSIM option. If you can't find it, contact customer support and request a reissue. They'll either send a new QR code or remotely push the eSIM to your iPhone. Most of the carriers allow easy eSIM recovery, but sometimes they charge a small fee. So always check before requesting any reactivation. So now your eSIM is back and it's time to make sure that we don't lose it again. So for that, make sure that you save the QR code of your eSIM or save the activation details somewhere. If you are switching your iPhones, make sure to click on the transfer eSIM in the cellular settings instead of clicking on delete it. That's it. Your eSIM recovery is back in no time. If you found the video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Also, if you want to be quicker updated with the recent technologies and get your queries answered faster, do connect with the GetAssist forum community, and I will see you in the next one.